Next, we're going to set the pivot to the last element in the list. So all you do to do this, just pivot is equal to list in, and using list index, we just say, okay, well, what is the length of listing? And to get the final element, you take away 1 from it. Right, so that's the pivot set. Good stuff. And now we're going to iterate through all elements, or keys if you like, in listing. So to iterate through them all, for key in list in, so each one, and we're quite simply going to say this. So if it's your first element there, whatever it is, if it happens to be smaller than the pivot, if it's smaller than the pivot, well, if that's the case, it's going to be put into the left list. So add in the key there. Elif, if it's greater than the pivot, or sorry, if it's equal to the pivot, we want to add it to the middle list. Append. And else, well, if it's not smaller and it's not equal to it, it must be the right list to the right of the pivot that we're going to add it into. So if you can get the typing right. Beautiful, fantastic. And now, from our after all that's done and they're sorted into their put into their list there, we're now going to return our. Not that we're going to repeat the quicksort on the sublist and combine the results. So we'll see you in the next video for that.